can't wait to dive deep into Subnautica Below Zero.
Yeah, I still have
and
not
make
played a
baseless
single game of Among
accusations
Us.
against our crewmates in Among Us later this year. Looks like Ratchet and the gang are ready for the spotlight. Next up, Insomniac Games will lead us on a tour of this June's PS5 action adventure.
Got Ratchet, Clank, and Rivet. It literally looks like a film, man. Oh, she's got a bionic arm. I just clocked on. Dope. Bionic arm.
I'm Marcus Smith, creative director of Ratchet Clank Rift Apart, a brand new full-length Ratchet Clank adventure built from the ground up for the PlayStation 5 console. Today we're going to introduce you to some of the gameplay, characters, and arsenal of Rift Apart.
Wow, look at that! Look
Whether
at that
you've played every
environment.
game since Ratchet Clank's debut, or you're brand new to the series, Rift Apart is a standalone adventure that you won't want to miss. Let's get into it.
Oh. Clank? Clank?
That ray tracing.
Lombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Ratchet has been separated from his best friend and partner Clank, and is now in a new dimension in a mysterious urban sprawl called Nefarious City.
Nefarious City looks real cool. I know the Ratchet and Clank games are generally really good looking, but this looks just far beyond that. Any of the previous ones.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Ratchet quickly finds out that in this dimension, Dr. Nefarious is a much more capable villain.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please
Yeah, it looks like it.
our marvelous emperor before, during, and
He has his own damn city.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Thanks to the new hardware, the worlds in Rift Apart are more beautiful than ever. Cities are full of life with traffic and civilians milling about everywhere.
Really love the environment, man.
Rift Apart is full of the unexpected. Characters in this new dimension are not always the same as they were in Ratchet and Clank's dimension.
It's just like super immersive. Like there's just
Ratchet
something
comes across
happening
Miss Zurkon,
everywhere.
the weapon vendor in Rift Apart.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order. Well, come right in. Miss Zurkon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zurkon is still new to all of this espionage.
The cartel is not the same. It's not the same one.
Clank has been taken
There
by
she
a
is.
mysterious new Lombax named Rivet.
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
Listen, Test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. The Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious, and you will find him.
Club
Nefarious, got it.
Nefarious.
Nice work, Secret Agent Zurkon.
This is so exciting.
Club Nefarious shouldn't be hard to miss. Better look around.
Club Nefarious sounds like a vibe. Oh, double jumps, yeah.
Dr. Nefarious? So that sounds like a club, all right. Come on, Phantom, where are you?
Once Ratchet finds Phantom, he learns a couple of new moves.
In Nefarious City, there's clearly no pandemic. Ooh.
One of the focal points of gameplay in Rift Apart is increased mobility. Ratchet can now dash and wall run to traverse levels. This focus on mobility allows players to chain moves together to create exhilarating combos.
Sweet. Especially since levels look so much bigger as well. It'll make exploration real interesting too.
I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Having to combine certain traversal moves to find like collectibles and things like that.
Dashing allows you to evade attacks or gain strategic advantages. Enemies can't hit what doesn't momentarily exist. Dimensional tears in the world allow you to use the Rift Tether, another new traversal mechanic to instantly pull yourself across battlefields.
I'll never get over
escape,
seeing
or
that.
flank enemies.
It's
Weapons
such
in
a
Rift Apart utilize the power of the DualSense wireless controllers, adaptive triggers, and haptic feedback to allow players to really feel the power of their arsenal. For example, with the burst pistol, players can pull back the trigger partway to peck out accurately placed single shots. But pulling the trigger fully unleashes a rapid-fire spread that covers more area. In either case, players will feel each shot burst from the weapon and connect with enemies.
when he
With the
dashes
Enforcer, players can pull the trigger
and you
down
see like
halfway to fire a
shadows
single
of him,
barrel, reducing time between reloads.
is that
Or
him
pull the trigger fully
dashing
and unleash
between
both
rifts
barrels with a
or dimensions?
devastating close-range attack. Thanks
Like
to the
momentary
haptics, the
rifts
player
dashing?
will feel the power of their shots through their hands. Let's move ahead a little bit. As Ratchet attempts to follow Rivet and Clank, he encounters a nefarious juggernaut.
Juggernaut. Okay.
Where did you even come from?
Like a mini boss. That whole trail that follows him after he dashes is sick. It just looks so cool.
During this fight, more dimensional chaos ensues. Thanks to the power of the SSD, we can near instantly teleport players to completely different locations. This isn't some small
Oh, it
arena
followed him.
downloaded, but the entire level from a different planet. Let's jump over and see what's going on with Rivet and Clank.
It looks like the same planet.
As you may have guessed, Rivet is a brand new playable character in the series.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
I want to know why why Rivet is missing an arm. Got
Rift
that
Apart
bionic arm.
includes several alternate dimension versions of classic planets from past games. Did we mention how stunning and alive our worlds are? Thanks to the power of the PS5 and
we
the
know.
3D audio, we've been able to create alien planets with an immersive density like never before.
It looks so good,
Check it
man.
out.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Back to Ms. Zircon, the weapons vendor.
Whoa. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
In Rift Apart, you get to play with an explosive new arsenal, as well as a few returning classics.
You will be missed, sweet thing.
I like the weapons vendor.
Here's another example of how we're using the DualSense. With the Topiary Sprinkler, players will feel resistance in the trigger as they prepare a throw of this garden grenade. Once on the ground and spitting out its rapid growth plant fertilizer, players will also feel when enemies have been topiaried and are ready to be trimmed down.
Oh, we got hit.
Where's that Speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
In addition to rift tethering and dimensional shifts, there are also many pocket dimensions scattered throughout the game.
And the last Speedle runs into that rift thingy.
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
Cool.
Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
Pocket dimension. That loaded effortlessly.
Dimensional pocket? Perhaps a
Mwah,
symptom of
that was
the
beautiful.
Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speedle.
No, don't hide! Ah!
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Well, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Mortis.
This is the Ratchet and Clank racer. That could be. Well, I have a feeling there's going to be time trials for this. For trophies.
Now,
Did you just see how it just effortlessly...
Come on, Maynard!
Come on, man.
Let's find the Mortis!
Riding Speedles is one way of traversing Sargasso's acid swamps, and to do so quickly.
Excuse me!
look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash. Stop! There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robo-Pet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
If you watched our previous gameplay demo, you may recognize the Goons for Less. This rebranded gang has been hired by Dr. Nefarious to attack Ratchet and Clank, and are now also trapped in Rivet's dimension. Here's another new weapon. The Shatter Bomb is a frag-type grenade that deals a lot of damage to your foes.
Said level 2, so you can
Each explosion feels incredible.
you can level it up. You can upgrade the weapons basically.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Damn, annihilated. I love the look of the dash.
This is just a small taste of some of the early gameplay in Rift Apart, but there is so much more. We have open areas to explore.
Oh,
Dimensional Clank puzzles.
Clank puzzles?
Glitch challenges. Arena challenges. Aerial combat.
Oh, shiz.
Gold bolts to collect.
Aerial combat.
Pocket dimensions to explore. Armor to obtain and use in the first ever Ratchet and Clank photo mode.
Oh, photo mode, hell yeah. Anyone who follows me on Twitter, I'm sorry.
Our games is always important to us. As such, Rift Apart will offer a slew of accessibility options.
Good.
We'll reveal more about this soon.
As it should, as it should.
Rift Apart's new planets, weapons, intense high-action combat, and near-instant load times, all with some of the best visuals we've ever created.
How about that, huh?
Wow. Just, ah.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
On behalf of all of us at Insomniac Games, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the Omniverse on June 11th.
That's our show. We explored
Whoa,
the depths
damn,
of an
Ratchet.
alien ocean, got a first look at
Clank.
Among Us on PlayStation, and zipped across space and time in Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.
Well, damn. Okay, so they're re-showing the previous trailer. Yo, listen.
Ratchet and Clank!
Okay.
What a wonderful surprise!
What do you want, Nefarious?
Yo.
We're going to a dimension where I always win!
All right, let's give this one a pause. Okay. Ratchet and Clank is probably, for this year in particular, will be the marquee game for the PlayStation 5. Yeah, it seems to use the console so well. Visually, it's amazing. It's the best Ratchet and Clank game I've seen. Obviously, it's a brand new generation, so you would expect a visual leap. You got tons of weapons you can use, tons of weapons you can get, tons of weapons that you can upgrade as well. That SSD is working. You know, you see the way he's just popping through to pocket dimensions, just like it was nothing. No load times, no nothing. And you've got these big worlds to explore, new ways to traverse, you know, and it'll be really interesting to see how people are zipping around the world using the traversal options that are available, finding different collectibles, secrets, etc. But yo, if this did not convince you that Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart is a must play, then I don't know what is. I really don't know what is, quite frankly. Hey, how's it going, everyone? Thank you for checking out this reaction to the State of Play for April 2021. If you have enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button, comment down below your favorite part, share the video, and please do hit that subscribe button. There is plenty of content on the channel every week, so do hit that subscribe button and keep notifications open so you know when a new video drops. If you want to check out the full reaction to this State of Play, check out the card above. Just simply click on it and it will take you over to that video. Go check out some of the other awesome content here on the channel as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.